Okay, today we've got this rusty old crate hammer pry bar that I've been meaning to get round to for a long time. So we'll start off by giving it a clean on the wire wheel and see what we're working with. Right, so what we're working with is something that's quite pitted, damaged, bent, knocked. It's not even straight. The ends are all bent over on the hammer. Look at that, all rounded off. Well, we'll have to get it on a 60 grit belt sanding and see what happens. So this is a very rough belt to start with, to try and get it down and take out the pits and the knocks and just see where we're going to come up at with it. Well, it is starting to smooth out and the pits are going. Belt is working wonders. Work now on getting them rounded off ends sorted out on the top of the hammer. Get all that nice and smooth. Onto the non-woven wheel. This is a load of 3M pads, all in circles and joined together. This does give a lovely polish, but it leaves it in matte. I worked my way through the belts. I think I started on a 60, then I went to a 180, and then onto a 400, and then onto this these 3M pads. These will take out any final scratches, and then after this we'll move on to the polishing wheel. So first of all, the black compound, that's quite a rough compound. And now clean up the edge of the wheel there with just the edge of a tenon saw, and put some green compound on, which is much finer and will give a much shinier finish. So now here's what it looked like again before and after. This result has been achieved because I used green compound last. That really does give a very shiny finish. Well, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it through this far. Have a good evening.